Ain't no need to check the score, bitch, I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch, my life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic tour, gas look like a leaf blower. Out of town with my bus on, bitch, I'm from Detroit. I got some white boys that really bought it.
What is good, DEEZY Nation? It's your girl DEEZY, and I'm back with another mother-loving video. So this video is a paid partnership with Arabella Hair. You see, I'm trying to do a little new setup or whatever, you know, this angle instead of always in my bathroom or whatever, things like that. Okay, skin, come through. Let's talk about it. So I'm not really feeling too well. Like, I'm really in pain, but it don't matter because I'm about to do this video anyway. I was going to do this video like later this weekend or next weekend, Thanksgiving weekend. I still might do. Anyway, I'm doing this video. So the hair, all the information will be in the description box below because I obviously don't remember it off the top of my head. But I'm gonna just go through the packaging and everything that was sent to me. So this is the box. Arabella Hair. It says Arabella Bloom Your Beauty. Low key, this was literally like the only hair that I've ever received, whether it was bundles, closures, wig, whatever, that came with this. Came with this package. It said, what does it say on it? I don't know what it says on it, but this right here says Arabella Bloom Your Beauty. It comes with hairband, right? It's cute. It comes with this pearl bracelet. I believe this is hair wax. It says broken hair finishing cream, and it's all in Chinese or Asian, whatever it's in a foreign language, and I can't read it. And because I can't read it, and because I don't know what it is, I'm not about to put this on my head. It also comes with this edge brush with a comb on the other side, which I absolutely love. Like, look at all this stuff coming off of that. Y'all can't see it, but let me see if I do it this way. There's a lot of stuff coming out of this. It came with some tweezers, bobby pins, a wig cap, the right color wig cap, because like I could just put foundation on it or whatever. So I like using that. And it also comes with a hair clip. So like literally, like this is the first hair company that I've ever worked with that came with all that stuff. Let's not forget the hair, and here is the wig. I believe this is not sure, so I'm not even gonna quote. I'm not even gonna say it, but it's a lace front wig. This is not the Swiss wig, the HD wig that people are so hype about and talking about or whatever. But it's a lace front wig. I'm gonna probably do a voiceover with all the information because I really don't know off the top of my head. So I'm gonna try and do this wig. I feel like it's coming more easier to me now. Let's get into it. How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? I don't know if I want to do a voiceover. I don't think I'm gonna do a voiceover. But because my hair is already short already, all I do is literally just wrap my hair. I want to be good enough to, like, if you see me looking this way, that's because my big mirror's over there. But I want to get good at doing these wigs so I can like wear them like to work for 10 hours and be comfortable with wearing them to work for 10 hours. But yeah, so I'm gonna just wrap my hair. It's not even long enough to like, I mean, it's long enough to braid, but it's like no point if I could just do this and put on my wig cap. I've tried the bald cap method. I mean, it was okay for me, like just learning how to do wigs and whatnot, but I'm gonna keep it simple with just throwing on the wig cap, you dig? What I also like about this wig is that, you know, some of the wigs come with the elastic band. My lips look so dry. I'm in so much pain, I can't even get up right now. But I like how it came attached to it. Some people cut them out, but I don't think I am. So it comes with the elastic band already sewn in. It comes with 4 combs. Boom, 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 boom. It also comes with the, what is that called? Strap. Sure, let's call it a strap. I'm not bleaching the knots like I did the last time because I don't have time for that and I don't feel like doing that. And I believe it's already pre-plugged. So like, this is just what we about to do. We about to try and fit this to my big old head. Oh shoot, it's all crooked. All right. I'm very curious to see how this is gonna turn out. I'm not even gonna front. All right, so I put my foundation on the majority of the lace. I mean, it could be better, but whatever. So we about to go ahead and slip this on. What's crazy is that the elastic band is like tighter than everything else. That's the crazy part. It's tighter than the other. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So this is how it looks with the foundation. I hope I don't mess up this hair, being that I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing. I'm gonna be looking down at this mirror because how everything is set up, I don't really have a table or anything. So Alright, so I cut off the lace. You can clearly still see it. That's because where you can see it, that is where it's lifting. So now what I'm about to do, I'm about to go back with some Got To Be and just put that around the lace. It's lifting just so it can lay down. The next time I do this video, I'm gonna have a way better setup, okay? I'm literally just putting this where the lace is lifted at. Alright, DEEZY Nation, it is laid. Now I'm gonna have to go back in and get this excess glue off. I think I'm supposed to get the excess glue off with rubbing alcohol. Because the last video, I wanted to do baby hairs, but it wasn't in God's plan, you feel me? It was not in God's plan. So now what I'm about to take my pressing comb. So now what I'm about to do, I'm about to wet this so I can get some curl up in here and brush through this. Gotta get the curl pattern back in here. I feel like out of all the wigs that I've done, this is probably the best wig that looks decent enough for me to wear to work. I mean, really, I'm just practicing. Like, I don't know. Like, this is fun to me. Oh, that hurted so bad. Oh my gosh, that hurt so bad. Y'all really just don't know how much pain I'm in. This is the curl pattern. Alright, DEEZY Nation, so this is the final look. This is like the best I can do. So like, this is just the best that I can do. You can see where it's light at right here, and that's the lace. And it's like, that's the lace mixed with the glue, mixed with my foundation, liquid foundation. And I mean, so far, like I said, this is the best lace like slash wig that I ever had, that I've ever installed. And I mean, I like it. I feel like the things that I would change is, one, I should put the lace, like if I was to take this off and do it again, I would put the lace a little bit more down on my forehead. The other thing that I would change is that I would use a powder foundation instead of a liquid. But other than that, I mean, the hair is dried and this is the final look. Yeah. So DEEZY Nation, I hope you guys like this video. I like doing them. Hopefully maybe next time like I could get the baby hairs together, but like that's the only thing that I was able to do with my mistakes that I've made and things like that. But I mean, what I think I'm gonna do, I am going to try to reinstall this same wig when I go out again. And then like, in order to maintain the curls, I'll wet it, put some gel in it. You know, just how natural hair is. You feel me? But this is the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna get better with it. I mean, I love this hair. When I do it right, like where you can't like see the grayish tint or whatever, I'm gonna wear this wig to work. I'm for real. I'm for real. I love this wig so much. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. I definitely appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on my social media, Instagram and Snapchat, which will be at the end of this video and also in the description box below. Peace.